the natural world is full of wonders. Animals, in their incredible diversity, show us this. One fascinating aspect is their teeth. Teeth are not just for smiling for animals, they are vital tools for survival. They tell us a secret story, a story about what an animal eats and how it lives its life, truly a window to the wild. Imagine a world without these specialized structures. How would a mighty lion tear its food? How could a gentle deer graze on tough grasses? Teeth are essential for breaking down food. This is the first crucial step in getting energy. Energy is the very fuel of life itself. Without effective teeth, an animal might starve. Even if food is all around it, their importance cannot be overstated. Look closely at any animal. Its teeth are a clue, a direct link, a link to its place in the food web. Are they sharp and pointed like daggers, or are they broad and flat like millstones? This simple observation can reveal so much. It tells us about their diet, whether they hunt or graze or forage. Nature has shaped these tools perfectly. So let us embark on a journey into the mouths of animals. We will explore these incredible adaptations. We will see how teeth help creatures thrive, and from the fiercest predators in the savannah to the peaceful herbivores in the meadows and the adaptable omnivores in between. The story of animal teeth is a captivating one. It reveals the brilliance of natural design. Animals possess a variety of tooth types. Each type has a specific job to do. Think of it as a specialized toolkit, a toolkit perfectly designed for its owner's needs. The main types are incisors, canines, and molars. Premolars are also part of this amazing set. Their presence, size, and shape vary greatly. This variation depends on the animal's diet. It is a marvel of natural engineering. Incisors are typically found at the front. They're often flat chisel-like teeth. Their primary role is for cutting or nipping. Imagine a beaver using its incisors to fell trees, or a sheep plucking grass from the ground. These teeth are the first to contact food. They prepare it for further processing. Their sharpness and strength are key, a vital part of the feeding process. Next, we often find the canines. These are usually the longest, most pointed teeth. They are prominent in many meat-eating animals. Their main function is to grip and tear. Think of a wolf holding on to its prey, or a cat delivering a precise, killing bite. Canines can also be used for display, sometimes for defense against threats. They are truly formidable tools. Finally, at the back are premolars and molars. These are generally broader, flatter teeth. Their surfaces are designed for crushing and grinding. They break down food into smaller pieces. This makes digestion much easier. Herbivores have particularly well-developed molars for grinding tough plant material, but even carnivores have molars, used for crushing bones or shearing meat. Carnivores are the hunters of the animal kingdom. They are animals that primarily eat meat. Their teeth are exquisitely adapted for this purpose. A diet of flesh requires specialized tools for catching, killing, and consuming prey. Their entire dental structure reflects this lifestyle. Sharpness and strength are paramount. Every tooth has a role in this predatory ballet. It's a fearsome yet efficient design. The most striking features are the canines. These are often long, sharp, and dagger-like. They are perfect for puncturing an animal's hide and for delivering a fatal bite to the prey. The canines also help to hold struggling animals, preventing escape during the hunt. Consider the powerful grip of a large cat. Its canines are its primary weapons, essential for subduing even large animals. Carnivores also possess sharp incisors. These are found at the very front of the mouth. While smaller than canines, they are important. They are used for gripping and pulling, and for scraping meat from bones. Imagine a wolf meticulously cleaning a carcass. Its incisors work like small, sharp pliers. No morsel of precious food is wasted. Every part of the tooth toolkit is utilized. Further back in the mouth are the carnassials. These are specially modified premolars and molars. They are not flat like a herbivore's grinders. Instead, they have blade-like edges. They slide past each other like scissors. This action effectively slices through meat and can even shear through tough tendons. It is a highly efficient way to process flesh, a hallmark of the true meat eater. The lion, king of the African savanna, it is a perfect example of a carnivore. Its teeth are a fearsome display of power. Each tooth is designed for a life of hunting. Its survival depends on these incredible tools. From the moment of the chase to the final meal, the lion's dentition is a hunter's dream. a testament to evolutionary precision. Let us look closer at its dental armory. A lion's canines are truly impressive. They can grow up to 7 centimeters long. These are not just for show, they are lethal. Used to grasp prey, often by the throat, this suffocates the animal quickly. The immense pressure from the jaw muscles, combined with these sharp points, ensures a successful and relatively swift kill, a vital skill for a top predator. The incisors of a lion are small but sharp. Located between the large canines, they play a crucial role once the prey is down. Lions use them to grip the hide and to pull off chunks of meat. They're also used for grooming, helping to keep their magnificent coats clean. Even these smaller teeth have multiple functions, showing nature's efficiency in design. Behind the canines, lions have those carnassial teeth. These are like nature's own steak knives. The upper premolar and lower molar fit together. They slice past each other with great force. This action cuts meat into manageable pieces that can be swallowed whole. Lions do not chew their food extensively. Their teeth are for tearing and slicing, perfectly adapted for a diet of fresh meat. Section 5. Grinders of green, the herbivore's dental design. Now let us turn to the herbivores. These animals feed exclusively on plants. Their diet consists of leaves, stems and grasses. You see, this food can be tough and fibrous. It requires a very different set of teeth compared to the sharp weapons of carnivores. Herbivore teeth are built for grinding and for continuous wear and tear, a peaceful yet powerful dental arrangement. Herbivores typically have large, flat molars and also well-developed premolars. These teeth have broad, ridged surfaces. They act like millstones, grinding plant matter. This breaks down tough cellulose fibers, making nutrients easier to absorb. The grinding motion is often side to side or back and forth for maximum effect. It is a slow, methodical process. Many herbivores lack prominent canine teeth, or their canines are small and not very sharp. Some, like cattle and sheep, have no upper incisors. Instead, they have a tough, horny pad. They use their lower incisors and this pad to grip and tear off vegetation. This is a very effective way to graze, perfectly suited for pulling up grasses. A gentle but firm harvesting technique. An interesting feature in some herbivores is the diastema. This is a gap between the front teeth and the cheek teeth, which are the premolars and molars. This space allows the tongue to manipulate food, moving it efficiently to the back grinding teeth. It also helps to avoid biting the tongue during the extensive chewing process. Every detail in their dental structure serves a purpose in processing plant food. Section 6. Cows, champions of chewing plants. Cows are wonderful examples of herbivores. Their lives revolve around eating grass and other plant materials. Of course, their teeth are perfectly adapted for this. A cow spends many hours each day chewing. This process is essential for their digestion. Their dental setup is a marvel of plant processing designed for efficiency and endurance. Let's examine their specialized mouths. A cow has no incisors on its upper jaw. Instead, there is a hard, fleshy dental pad. It uses its lower incisors to press grass against this pad, tearing it away. The tongue is also very important. It wraps around clumps of grass, pulling them into the mouth. This method is ideal for grazing, allowing them to consume large quantities. The truly impressive teeth are the molars. Cows have large, flat molars and premolars. These are located at the back of the mouth. They have complex ridges and grooves. These surfaces grind the tough plant fibers, breaking them down into smaller particles. The jaw moves in a circular, grinding motion. This ensures thorough pulverization of the food, a crucial step for digesting cellulose. Cows also chew their cud. This means they regurgitate partially digested food and chew it again, sometimes for hours. This further breaks down the plant matter, maximizing nutrient extraction from their food. Their teeth must withstand this constant use. They are incredibly durable structures made for a lifetime of grinding, a testament to nature's patient engineering. Section 7. Eating everything, the omnivore's versatile bite. Between the carnivores and herbivores, we find omnivores. These animals have a wonderfully varied diet. They eat both plants and meat. This dietary flexibility requires versatile teeth that can handle different types of food. Not as specialized as a pure carnivore or herbivore, but capable of tackling a broader menu. Their dental toolkit is a compromise, a reflection of their adaptable lifestyle. Omnivores typically have a combination of tooth types. They possess incisors for biting and cutting. These are usually quite well developed, able to nip off fruits or tear small pieces of meat. They also have canine teeth. These are often less dagger-like than a carnivore's, but still useful for gripping and tearing, and sometimes for defense or display. A truly multi-purpose front section. The molars and premolars of an omnivore are interesting. They are generally less specialized than in other groups. They are not as sharp as a carnivore's carnassials, nor are they as broad and flat as a herbivore's grinders. Instead, they often have rounded cusps. These are good for crushing and grinding, but can also handle some tearing. This allows them to process fruits, nuts, insects, as well as small animals or carrion. The adaptability of omnivore teeth is remarkable. It allows them to survive in diverse habitats and to switch food sources when necessary. If one type of food becomes scarce, they can often find something else to eat. This versatility is a key to their success. Their teeth are a testament to this flexibility, ready for whatever the environment offers. A true jack of all trades in the dental world. Section 8. Bears, equipped for a varied menu. Bears are classic examples of omnivores. Most bear species enjoy a mixed diet. They might eat berries, nuts and roots, but also fish, insects and small mammals. Some, like the polar bear, are more carnivorous, while others, like the giant panda, are specialist herbivores. But generally, bear teeth reflect this variety, a powerful jaw with adaptable dentition, ready for a wide range of culinary opportunities. Bears' incisors are relatively small, but they are sharp enough for nipping vegetation or for tearing into a fish or small animal. Their canines are large and impressive. These are useful for catching prey, like salmon, or for defense if threatened. They are not as specialized for killing as a lion's, but they are still formidable weapons and useful tools for their varied diet. The molars of a bear are quite distinctive. They are broad and relatively flat, but with rounded cusps rather than sharp ridges. This makes them excellent for crushing. They can crush tough acorns and nuts or grind up plant matter like roots and tubers. They can also handle the flesh of animals, though not as efficiently as a carnivore's carnassials. A truly versatile set of back teeth. This combination of teeth serves bears well. It allows them to exploit many food sources throughout the changing seasons of the year, from spring greens and summer berries to autumn nuts and occasional meaty meals. Their dental structure is a key to their adaptability, enabling them to thrive in diverse environments, from dense forests to open tundra, a testament to nature's resourceful design. Section 9, of Teeth Through Time, a story of adaptation and survival. The incredible variety of animal teeth we see today is the result of millions of years of evolution. Nature has painstakingly shaped these tools to perfectly suit each animal's diet and lifestyle. This process of adaptation is ongoing. As environments change, so too can teeth. It is a remarkable story of survival, written in the enamel and dentine of generations, a story that continues to unfold. Fossil records provide fascinating glimpses into the evolution of animal teeth. Scientists can study ancient teeth and learn about the diets of extinct creatures. Sharp, blade-like teeth suggest a carnivore, even if we only have the teeth left. Broad, grinding surfaces point to a herbivore. These dental clues help us reconstruct past ecosystems and understand how life has changed over eons. The pressure to find and process food is immense. It is a driving force in natural selection. Animals with teeth better suited to their available food are more likely to survive and reproduce. They pass on these advantageous traits to offspring. Over time, this leads to specialized dentition. Whether it's the ever-growing incisors of a rodent or the complex grinding molars of a horse, each adaptation enhances survival. So the next time you observe an animal, perhaps at a zoo or in a documentary or even your pet at home, take a moment to consider its teeth. They are more than just simple structures. They are a legacy of its ancestry, a key to its current way of life, and a testament to the power of evolution. Animal teeth truly reveal all about what they eat and how they survive.